There are two new security features in Windows 11 version 22H2 designed to help protect your passwords. These new features will only work if you sign into your computer with a password. They don't work if you currently sign in with either a PIN or some other format like facial recognition. Let me show you how to turn on these two new features. Start by selecting the Start button. Next, select Settings. Next, select Privacy and Security. Once this opens, we want to select Windows Security. Next, select App and Browser Control. When this opens, select Reputation-Based Protection. Next, under Phishing Protection. And there has been phishing protection for some time already, so this should be turned on. If not, make sure you turn this on. And as it states here, when you sign into Windows using a password, this helps to protect your password from malicious apps and sites. You'll notice two new features in here. One of them says, warn me about password reuse. So if you use that same password in more than one place, Windows will warn you, because you should only use a password once. Should not use the same password more than once. The other feature helps to protect your password if you fill it in an unsecured place, whether that's on the internet or it's on an unsecured app on the computer itself, like for instance Notepad. So let's turn these on. When you turn it on, you will have to give it permission. The same for the second one. Once these are on, you are now protected. Whenever you use the same password twice, you'll get a notice. And if you're filling in your password on an unsecured site or app, you'll be warned. Two new things in Windows 11 22H2. Two more reasons worth making the upgrade to 22H2, which was just recently released. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.